Hey, Jessica. Check out my new jacket. I picked it up at the mall yesterday.
Wow, Alex. That jacket looks amazing on you. The color really sets off your eyes.
Thanks, Jess. I'm glad you like it. I've been trying to mix up my style a bit lately.
Oh, I've noticed. You've been pulling off some great looks recently. Where did you come across the inspiration for this new style?
Well, I've been scrolling through some fashion blogs and Instagram accounts, and I stumbled upon this one fashionista who has such a unique sense of style. It really sparked off some ideas for me.
That's fantastic. It's always good to get inspired by others. I should start looking into some fashion influencers too. I've been feeling a bit stuck with my outfits lately.
Definitely. It's all about trying out different things and finding what makes you feel confident. You'd rock some new styles for sure.
Thanks for the encouragement, Alex. You know, I've been thinking about clearing out my closet and getting rid of some old clothes that I never wear.
Oh, I totally get it. Cleaning out your wardrobe can be so liberating. You can make room for new pieces that really go with your evolving style.
You're right. It's time to let go of the clothes that no longer fit in with who I am now. And maybe I could pass on some of them to charity.
That's a great idea. It's always nice to give back to the community. Plus, someone else might pick up those pieces and love them as much as you did.
I hadn't thought of it that way, but you're right. It's a win-win situation. So, tell me more about this new style you're going for.
Well, I've been experimenting with layering different textures and patterns. It's all about mixing and matching in unexpected ways.
I love that. It's such a fun way to play around with fashion and express your personality. I might try out some layering myself.
Go for it. I can already picture you pulling off some incredible looks with your creative flair.
Thanks, Alex. I'm excited to take on this new fashion challenge. Let's meet up for a shopping spree soon so we can hunt for unique pieces together.
Sounds like a plan. Count me in. We're going to have a blast finding some fabulous additions to our wardrobes.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.